how to mention someone on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the option of plus icon. So let me just go back from the screen. So let me just tap on the story icon at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can now just click a picture, or you can also upload it from your gallery. And as you click a picture or put it from a gallery, what you can simply do is tap on the screen and you can see the option of mention at the bottom of the screen. So tap on mention and here you can select the person and then tap on done. You can zoom in or zoom out this name over here, and then you can keep it wherever you would want, and that's how you can mention someone on Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.